Good morning, everybody. I hope you all had a nice and restful weekend. Um, so today, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing activity 4.5, or we're going to be continuing activity 4.5, I should say, and we're going to be looking at the poem Remember. Before we get started, I do want to say I want to thank each and every one of you. You all have been very patient with this whole process. You've been flexible. You've been doing what you need to do, and I really do take in your responses to surveys and messages we say. I really do take all that into mind while we move forward. So I wanted to let you know that. And we're going to get through all this together. So, what we're going to be looking at today is Remember. And it's like a short poem, it's not too long. And when we're done with that, I want you to go ahead while you're reading it, and we're going to text mark two different things. The first thing we're going to text mark is ideas or concepts related to transcendentalism. Okay? So the first line is, remember the sky that you were born under, sky, boom, nature, right? We're also going to be looking at our literary devices, and that's the other thing we're going to be text marking. So the first thing that's going to jump out to everybody is repetition, right? Remember, 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 and then towards the end it's really repetitious. Okay, and that's all in terms of reading the poem. You're then going to come down here, and we do have to answer questions 3 and questions 4. So what poetic conventions does Harjo employ to develop the theme? Well, we already gave you one of the literary devices, right? And for this one, I want a total of 3. So we have repetition, and there's a good 4 or 5 others that you could find. And make sure you tell me, how does that develop the theme? In other words, why is it important to the theme of the text? Or why is it important to the text in general? And the last one we're going to be looking at is, in what ways does Harjo's poem echo Thoreau's words? So how is it similar to Thoreau, which we read about a week ago or so? And you can go back in your notes and do that and look at it, and that's fine. Okay, and honestly, that's about it for today. So yeah, let me know if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. I hope you are all doing wonderful.